Oh.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. So today, as you can tell, we're just going to go do some more wheelie practice, trying to get better at wheelies here. Only way to do so is just by practice. So that is the plan for today, and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully we don't loop out. All right, shortcut time. Any cut? I don't think so. Woo. Always so much shit back here to fall on, I'm telling you. I have no desire literally to go back on that trail. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I ate shit right over there, so I'm gonna save that for later. I'm honestly surprised I never run into any other people like riding dirt bikes here. It's a nice little spot that's super close to the city. It's definitely gotten pretty overgrown in here. I imagine in the winter though it'll be nice because all of that area will just be like completely cleared out. It'll be nice. What is my deal? Good start. Good start today. Man, I am something else. I am just really hungover. I think that has to do with it. Let's give her a second. And we're back. Woo! All right, let's go up here to our little road. Whoopsie! I love practicing on this hill though, just because it makes it so much easier. Go see what this cyclist is doing in my area. That guy's definitely taking a piss. He's like, what the fuck? We'll just do a little trail riding as we let that guy take a piss in peace. We can revisit the spot of the accident. It is so freaking overgrown in here, it's unreal. All right. So it's not here, but that's where I fell. I think it might have just been this log. Definitely was probably the log because I came through, went sideways, then finally stood it up and just went right into the woods there. Back out. Bicyclist is already gone. It's accidentally in third gear for a sec. Here we are. But yeah, we're just gonna whip around, try and get better at wheelies. That's the main plan right now. It's a good chase in a wheelie. Still chasing him. Right into the pole. Not bad. Watch that rear brake, son. Should you get comfortable sitting a little bit further back. I'm right on the cusp of the balance point right there. I just need to get comfortable with sitting there. Balance point. Alright, alright. I'm very like brappy. Definitely I'm gonna want to get to the point where I'm like, you know, more fluid and controlled on it, as opposed to like, you know, just brapping it to keep it up. Oh, felt good for a second. Ready, security? Wonder if he'd like a wheelie. Woo-hoo-hoo. What was that sound? Huh. It's a surprise. Wheelie the basketball court? Why not, right? Hey, there's me. I think it's a parking lot, right? Woo, 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 woo. Stairs? Oh, fuck. That was so bad. So bad. I slammed the f out of my fucking skid plate. Holy shit. Well, that's why it's on there, right? Okay. Woo. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.